S&P 500 and Nasdaq ended higher on Wednesday following Janet Yellen's FOMC meeting as the Fed continue their taper program. Johnny Bo Jakobsen of Nordea Markets is on the line with me now. Johnny, tell us, what were the key items to take away from this event?
Well, the Fed, as widely expected, continued tapering its asset purchases, but at the same time it's indicated that the rate hike is still not imminent. And at the same time, they sounded somewhat more positive on the economy, especially the labor market. And it seems that the equity markets saw that as an okay message.
With news then that the US economy grew by 4% in Q2, did we receive an indication as to whether this healthier expansion could mean a rise in interest rates sooner than expected?
Well, as I read the FOMC yesterday, they are clearly less dovish now compared to a month ago. Especially, I think, impressed by the recent further improvements in the labor market and the strong Q2 GDP report we saw yesterday. And I believe that they will take a further step. They will move further in a less dovish direction at the September FOMC meeting, which I believe will be very important, because at that time the Fed will present new projections, and the Fed Chairman Yellen will host a press conference. So a further baby step, I would call it, towards the first rate hike at the upcoming September FOMC meeting is my expectation.
I'd like to take a moment to connect Fed action with Europe. Would you agree that the euro-US dollar is increasingly becoming a function of the Fed? As we noted a few weeks ago, Mario Draghi speaks with little response, yet Janet Yellen suggests a path for interest rates and the euro dips below 135 for the first time since February.
I fully agree on this view. The Fed is, I think, the main driver going forward of the euro-dollar, and I believe that we will see further strengthening of the dollar versus the euro as the Fed becomes more hawkish gradually. I expect markets to, in coming months, to price in more rate hikes from the Fed in 2015 and 16, and as a consequence, I remain positive on the dollar.
With the US side of this equation in mind then, how could this play out for the euro-US dollar in the coming months?
Well, our end year forecast for euro-dollar is 130, and currently we're trading around 134. So I think we should expect to see a further strengthening, generally strengthening of the dollar versus the euro.
Johnny, thank you very much for your comments, and viewers, thank you for watching. Do stay tuned to Dukascopy TV for plenty more exclusive interviews. Goodbye for now.